Hello freshers, welcome to another video. Hope you all are doing great, and if you are new here, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button. As of today, we have some quick updates about TCS Joining Letter 2020. Good news to all the candidates who got a job offer at TCS during campus placements. TCS is soon going to provide a joining letter to all the candidates who cleared the TCS NQT for 2020 batch. Last year, TCS had started onboarding fresher candidates from different colleges from April itself. But this year, it got delayed due to COVID-19 situation. However, TCS will start sending the joining letters from mid-July in a phased manner to all the job offered candidates. Did anyone ask, what's TCS? Well, it is the Indian multinational IT services and consulting company, the Tata Consultancy Services. They will be onboarding 40,000 freshers in a planned and phased way from mid-July, and it will start lateral entry as well. Milind Lakkar, Executive Vice President and Global Head HR of TCS, said that the company has been in touch with the fresh recruits to reassure them that they would be able to join the company. Quote unquote, the process was delayed because their academic year got delayed. Rajesh Gopinath, CEO TCS, stated that the company is selectively opening up lateral hiring given the positively demanding environment. However, he did not disclose the area of hiring. NG Subramaniam, COO TCS, stated that majority of the deal closures were in the areas of cloud migration, re-imaging customer experience, and digital transformation. So these new hirings are also likely to be in areas such as the cloud. TCS during its March quarter had stated that it will honor all 40,000 offers given out to fresh recruits. For more info regarding this matter, please check out the new article on Freshers Camp website. The link of the same has been provided in the description box below. Hope you have liked the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.